We're putting eggs in that are room temperature. That's one of the things that really helps us with this process. And we're not doing it like a normal hard-boiled egg. We are putting the eggs into boiling water, hot water to start. And then we're going to set the timer for 4.5 minutes. And they're going to come out perfect. And I'm going to show you guys the trick to how to peel eggs. Everyone's heard 101 different ways, and at the end of the day, it's always a hassle. So I'm going to show you how to make it not a hassle today, which is cool. Notice I'm not putting it into an ice bath. It's one of the keys. Forget about shocking your eggs. That's not how we do it. So the egg is still warm. You want to get it to where you can handle it and it's not too hot. The reason we're not putting an ice bath and we're not shocking it is there's a little membrane between the shell and the egg that you're going to see here in a moment, that when you shock it and you stop the cooking process, it seizes up and it sticks back to the egg. That's why they're just so notoriously hard to peel. Now, I'm doing this in room temperature water. You could do this under running water that is warm to hot, whatever you can handle. You're going to see right here, that's that little membrane I'm talking about. And if we shock the egg in ice, that wants to seize up and it makes the peeling process hard. That's why they've always been so hard. So the key is room temperature water, and the eggs are still warm, and everything's gonna be great, and they'll peel through, and you won't end up where you pull some of the shell away and it rips some of the egg off and it messes up the presentation. We're done with that. Fixed. Go ahead and subscribe. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit the like button. I'm gonna have the links and the recipe and all that stuff below. You guys have the best. Take care.